Today I'll be sharing with you 6 apps you need to run a photography business. So let's get to it. Let's start right off the bat. App 1. App 1 should be really Lightroom or On1 for your digital process. As most of you know, photo editing is super important nowadays. Now, I love both. When I first started photography, Lightroom was amazing and still is to this day. They keep upping the app so you can really be creative with your photography if you wish. But it's super easy, even on your phone. They both have apps to go on your phone, so if you have an image that you want to process really quick and just share it in social, you've got it on your fingertips on the phone. Like I said, I actually do use both. On1 is a great processing tool, but I want to say that you should really master one in the very beginning. And I'm curious, I'm going to ask you a question right off the bat. I'm curious who's here that likes Lightroom or On1. Maybe you have another post-processing app that you really love. Share it down in the comments. So really, this is a game changer when it comes to processing your work, because you want to first, of course, make images from your soul within. But once you start becoming a business person, you want to please your clients. And you'll be surprised that a client may say, oh, can I have that off? Or can I take this off? If it is something that you are commissioning and you're working with the person at the same time or the business at the same time, these apps are so easy to make little changes to your photography fast. App 2, Assana. Oh my gosh, I love Assana. It is amazing. This tool and this app helps you stay organized and lets you really focus on what needs to be done as a business owner. So then you can make sure that you are on time with your projects. But not only that, there is another app called Trello. I have not used Trello, but I have heard some good things about it. I just want you to understand that an app that really keeps you organized is so much better than you trying to wing your business. You can actually make a project of what you're doing, when you're going to shoot it, when you're going to process it, how you're going to connect with your clients, whatever it is, social media, but it's all based on a project, set goals to make sure that you complete the goals. Because if you're like me, squirreling around everywhere, you need to focus and make sure you get things done. A business is not just about your photography. It's really about the communication that we have, what we do for our clients, and make sure that we are dependable. Asana will do that for you. App 3, QuickBooks. I used to use QuickBooks, and the reason why I say used to is because now, those of you who know me, I am a Google person and I make my own invoices, my own documentations, policies, and all that fun stuff that comes with a business. But I have to say, in the beginning, QuickBooks rocked for me. And it really helped me stay focused to make sure I have my documentation that I need to give to my clients if needed, and keep my money that I'm receiving all organized for, yes, especially in America, United States of America, taxes. So we have to make sure that we have money for the business, for taxes, and for you to be paid, etc. And QuickBooks really does keep you organized. You can do this very easily on your phone nowadays, because back in my days when I first started QuickBooks, it wasn't even online. I had to download QuickBooks, but it's all good. Everything is set out for you and very easy for you to organize your business. App 4, awesome app, CoSchedule. This is such a wonderful app if you're using a lot of social media or things that you need to get out. Not just social media, your newsletter, if you're writing a blog, the social platforms. It's just a way to be able to schedule everything in one place and then push it out at different dates and times. So it makes things faster. You have more time to photograph. and it pushes it out for you, so you're not worried about connecting to your clients and potential clients. It's also wonderful once you get to a place in your photography business where you get help, a virtual assistant, which I always have. My client's goal is to understand your business. You got to understand it first, and then you give tasks to your virtual assistant. And that's what truly helps me be able to be here for you, making videos, running my business, photographing, licensing my work, and doing all the things that I do is because truly I have CoSchedule. App 5. Oh my gosh, I love this app too. WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is really good when you want to communicate with your clients or potential clients very quickly. And the reason why I like WhatsApp is because you can contact people outside of the United States. So I have clients all over the world. WhatsApp works really well when we need to go back and forth quickly. That app is absolutely amazing for communication. Another, just a little bonus that I like to do is Zoom. That app also is great. They're both, well, I know WhatsApp is free because I'm using it free. Zoom I do pay for because I have calls that I do with my clients. But Zoom is also really good for a business because if you have to have a long conversation, you could just jump on Zoom really quick and you can talk to your client. WhatsApp lets you do this too, but I really truly like Zoom for long conversations and communication. WhatsApp is really fast, back and forth, works really, really well. You want to make sure as a business owner that you truly understand your client and what you and your client are on the same path, so there's no misconceptions of what's going to happen. You want a client to be very happy, and it always works when it comes to communication. Your last app is actually something you may be surprised that I'm actually pushing on you as a business owner. I'm not pushing it, I'm just explaining that it's super important. The app is called Capcut, and I absolutely love it to make short videos, reels, stories, showing your photography, but at a level that is professional. Capcut is so worth your time to show your imagery in a video aspect with music and feeling. We sell feelings. So adding this to another level will help your clients and potential clients feel what you've done for them. The app can be used on your phone and also on your computer or laptop. So it's perfect to drop in, pick a theme, drop in the images, your images that you've made to tell a story and share it off to your client, potential client, or even after they've purchased from you. Maybe you could put a video together showing how you made the work. I mean, how special is that on top of what you're giving them in the first place? All of these apps work wonderful if you know who your client is. And if you do not know who your clients are, stop wasting time and guessing who will buy from you. I have a free Become a Client Magnet. Download the PDF with a video that will help you focus on who you would like to serve. Download that ASAP. I don't know how long I'm going to have that up for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up, and also comment. It really helps me in the algorithm. If you haven't heard about algorithm, I'll share that with you next, because algorithm is everything to connect with your clients. Have a great day, and always remember that you make a difference. Cheers.